Whether you want to sell it or give it away, or maybe you just want a clean slate, there's plenty of reasons why you want to factory reset your Samsung phone. So here's exactly how to do it, regardless of which specific Samsung Galaxy device you have. First off, you need to go into your device settings. So just swipe down and click on a little cogwheel in a corner, and it's going to take you there. From there, swipe all the way down until you get to General Management, and then click on that. From there, go once again down onto Reset, and from there you have the option to reset all settings or factory data reset, which is going to be the option that's going to wipe everything from your phone. But it's even a way to do it remotely as well. Simply go onto google.com/android/find and sign into your Google account, then select your device in the top left, then click on reset your device. This will do the exact same thing but completely remotely if you don't currently have access to the device for whatever reason. And there it is, pretty much everything you need to know about how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. If this was helpful, make sure to subscribe to How To Authority for more like this in the future.